the Sahara, a land of mystery, adventure, and breathtaking beauty, where the desert whispers stories of the past and welcomes those who seek an unforgettable escape. Feel the thrill of the desert with an exhilarating quad or buggy ride, carving your own path through the ever-changing sands. As the sun dips below the dunes, let the magic of Merzouga unfold. Enjoy an authentic dinner under the stars, where tradition and tranquility create an unforgettable evening. Step into history with a guided tour of Risani, a city rich in culture and heritage. Discover the mystical Escalier Celestes, where architecture meets the cosmos, and explore ancient fossil quarries, remnants of a world millions of years old. After adventure comes indulgence. Welcome to Palais du Desert, a sanctuary of elegance in the heart of the Sahara. Unwind in sophisticated comfort. Choose from our junior suites, the prestigious Ambassador Suites, or the opulent Imperial Suites, where luxury meets authenticity. Relax and rejuvenate in our spa and wellness center. Immerse yourself in the soothing waters of our two pools. Enjoy a traditional hammam experience, or refresh your senses with a massage and fitness session. Savor the finest flavors at La Grande Carte, offering an exquisite buffet selection, or indulge in a gourmet experience at La Palmerie, where Moroccan and international cuisine blend perfectly. Sip a cocktail at Les Crenouilles, a unique space showcasing a rare fossil exhibition, or unwind on the terrace, soaking in the tranquility of the desert night at Palais du Desert. Adventure and elegance go hand in hand, a place where every moment becomes a cherished memory.